Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's the end of May. It's about 85-90 degrees and the humidity is about 5,000%. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. I guess I could have picked a worse time to come out to pick these onions, but I'm not sure when it would be. But as you can see by looking at them, these onions are done. And I need to get them out before something happens to them. So we're going to start picking. And that's not a bad first onion. It has rained so much. These onions are just jumping out of the ground here. Wow. These are the Vidalia type onions. Got them from the folks out in Texas, and I'm sure the name of them will come to me in a minute. I have bought my onion plants from them for about the last 5 or 6 years, and this is probably one of the smaller harvests, smaller onions, if you can imagine that, only because we have had such weird weather. It's been the kind of weather where one day it'd be 85 degrees and the next day it'd be 24. These onions went out. I always tell them to ship them to me when I'm supposed to plant them. And they ship them to me first week in February. It's usually so stinking cold I don't want to plant them. And I'm thinking, you gotta be nuts. 20 degrees outside. But I trust they know what they're doing. So I'll be out there in the freezing cold planting onions. And guess what? It always works. I ordered 2 kinds this year. One is the Vidalia onion kind and the other is a number, which I think is half of what the Vidalias are. They're supposed to be nice big onions too. So, what can I say? Have these going in this nice big new grow bed I have here. And gotta tell you, I don't have to bend over quite as far. And since the soil is all potting mix and compost, you can tell this is some good soil. Look at these onions coming out of here. I probably need to move the camera, so I'm going to do that. So, back to the onions. That was kind of stabbing me. I'm telling you, for grow 'em at home onions, look at these things. And I get them like this every year. Even though I'm planting them when my mind says wrong. But that's when they say plant them. You know, most places say plant them in the spring. I mean, you know, like March or April. Well, around here they're done in the May. The temperature just doesn't let them keep going. And that's just not enough time to make onions. So, yeah, right. They got to go in early, have enough time. Just a good system. I'm going to be adding fertilizer and some more compost to this soil. Rake it up some, and it'll either have beans or squash in it. Something like that in it. And it'll get planted. It's too hot today. It'll probably get planted tomorrow. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. If you ain't seen onions like this before, you need to. I'll put the link up on where I get the onions from. I'll put it up there on the screen, because it is definitely the people to get your onion plants from. They do a heck of a job. David at Grow and Eat This. Please hit the like button and subscribe. YouTube's decided I make terrible videos, and well, maybe I do. I don't know. But if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Hope your onions come out good too. Okay, I've spread them all out. And I know they tell you not to do it, but I do every year. I spread them out and I hose them off to get all the dirt and stuff off, because they're going to go inside on the racks with a fan blasting away on them, so they might as well do it clean. As you can see, there's no shortage of onions. These are just, oh boy, these are going to be good for several months. We eat a lot of onions, and we'll still run out. Probably within 3 months we'll be out of these. These came from, I finally remembered where it is, Dixondale, DixondaleFarms.com. So you look up Dixondale and they'll take you, these folks will take care of you, guarantee you. If you'd like to grow some whopper nice onions like this, get your stuff from Dixondale Farms. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Thank you for watching.